Here at Simply Garden, with over 50 years of gardening experience, I believe in keeping things simple and productive while gardening in your own backyard. We have some exciting things to do today. Yeah, this is Hunter.
Say hi.
Can you say Hunter? And then we got Jen, his mommy.
Hi.
Here we go.
You ready
And
to help?
we're going to plant some pumpkins. You see the pumpkins?
Plant?
Right there. Let me see. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Okay. So let's go ahead and plant these little pumpkin seeds right here, okay? These are sugar pumpkins, the ones used for pumpkin pie. Isn't this exciting, huh? You like pumpkin pie? Yeah, you think so?
5.
You put 5 little seeds in there, okay?
There you go.
Oh, that's a dead plant there. See the
Yeah.
raspberries are having problems, but
Oh, careful, Ellie. That may be an Ellie. Oh, there you go.
they're right there. Good boy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Good job.
Good job. We'll pop back out there.
Careful.
There we go.
Sorry.
Oh, that's okay. It'll grow up from the bottom. There we go. All right, there's 5 seeds, right?
Yep.
And then Hunter, I need you to water these, okay?
Go get your watering can.
Okay.
I'll get it for you, okay?
Here we are. So what we've done here is we've interplanted with the raspberries. The raspberries have kind of, well, I won't say they pooped out, but they're coming back. But we have some room in here. We can throw a few sugar pumpkins, and the sugar pumpkins vine out all over the place. Okay, plant them right, put it right there. That's a boy. Give it a good watering. Thank you, Carter. Hunter. This is Hunter. That's right. Carter's my other helper. Okay, we got another one.
Another one. Okay, come over here.
Come over here. Here we go, Hunter. Oh, we have Christmas trees here too growing. Look at this. Later on we'll be trimming Christmas trees. Yeah, it's getting big, huh? Christmas trees. Here we go. All right. So we've got another one here to go. Put it right here, okay? See, another one. Oh, that's a board. Okay. Look at this beautiful soil. It's nice and nutritional. Okay, put your 5 seeds in there. Lay them all nice and organized.
Here, 1,
2,
3, 4,
5.
5. Good job.
Okay, let me put them down on the ground a little bit. Hold on a second here.
Here,
Yeah,
let me
stick
get you
them
more
in.
water. You have water. You're good.
There we go. We want to pat it down? Can you pat it down first? Pat. There we go. Awesome. Good. Am I getting the view right? There we go. All right, here we go. Look at that. See? Little children love help planting pumpkins. Over here. Yep, we're coming on this raspberry here. Over here. Raspberry. You love raspberries, don't you, huh? Yeah. Okay. As we get this all dug up here.
No, mine's mine.
Want to do it? Okay. You put the pile of soil in a nice big pile. That's right. You got the idea, Hunter. Very good job.
Okay, here you go.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Here we go. Oh, we're going to put them on top of here maybe, okay? Up here. Here we go. That's a little too
Hold
deep.
on.
Okay, hold on. It's getting up here, okay?
Okay.
Do you need another one?
There we go. We got it.
Okay.
There we go. Okay. Well, we got to put them in this. We got to put them in the ground first, right?
Wait.
1, 2, 3, 4. No, that's it. No, we need one more. How many you got left?
We're good. We're starting the new container.
All right. Okay. Oh, there they are. Okay. Good job. Oh, you kind of missed them over here.
It's okay. We'll go get more.
We'll get some more
Hunter.
water.
It's
Get some
okay.
more water. Okay.
Let me get more.
Good job.
Careful behind you, my phone.
Oh.
Hold on, Hunter.
You want to dig this one next?
Mine's
Whoop.
mine.
Your turn. Okay, dig a hole. Make a pile of dirt up. Oh yeah. We got a lot of pumpkins last year, didn't we? In fact, if you look at our intro video of our introduction, you'll see the pumpkin, the sugar pumpkin on top of the beehive. And that was the pumpkins from here last year. We put them on top of the beehives for decorations.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job, Hunter. Oh, dig down there. That's right. Oh, you're doing such a good job.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the worm. That's good to see, huh? We like seeing worms. Worms are good from the soil.
Is that like in our book? The worm. Do you want to touch the worm?
No.
Oh, okay. All right, it's okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay, Papa's gonna get ready.
There we go. Okay, put it
Okay,
in
this
there.
one we're gonna put a little bit more than 5 because some of these are older seeds.
On top,
Right over
right
here.
there. There we go.
There, good.
All right.
Push them down. Push, push, push. Can you pat it for me? With your hand, pat, pat. Okay. Good job. Here,
Good
help
job.
me water. We'll use the big watering can this time.
There we are. All righty. Very good. We're all done, huh?
It's all gone.
Okay, one more thing we're going to put on
Okay.
is this.
Yeah.
The special covering that keeps from the chipmunks eating the seeds, okay?
Okay.
So,
Yes, I didn't know that.
yep. It's just,
I need this on my zinnias.
yeah, it works very well. They don't get underneath it. They don't like it. Thank you, Hunter. You got the idea. There we go. Good. Can you go do the other ones over there? Yeah, put that. You've got the idea. All right, good. Over here, Hunter. That's well covered up, yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Here, next one over here, Hunter.
Don't need it that covered, but that's okay. Okay, we have another one to do. Oh, perfect.
There you go, Hunter. This one here. Can you put it on top of this one there? There we go. Hop up there. Go put that.
Sorry, I just a little bit.
And there goes the little snake. He ran away. Okay, perfect. Okay, next one around the corner here.
Yep, over here.
You want to try to
There's a
find the snake?
Wow.
Yeah,
Yucky snake.
I don't know where he went. Let's see if we can find the snake.
This
Snakes
is where
are
Mama backs up.
snakes are good for the garden. Do you know that?
Yeah.
They eat the bugs. Now he ran away somewhere. Okay, that's fine. Okay, come on, let's do this one over here.
Yeah.
Do you know what snakes look like? What do snakes look like? Do you know what snakes look like? Here you go. Snakes are long and thin. Here, go put this on. There we go. There we go. Okay, put some straw on top.
Oh, wait.
Put the straw on top. Here, no, that goes down first, honey. You can do that instead? And then put that on top then. How's that?
That's enough straw, Hunter. Now put the topping on.
Here we go. Beautiful. Okay, we're good. That's well protected. Here we go. He does it well. You got the idea.
Very repetitious, Hunter.
Thank you, Hunter. That's good enough. A little dirt too? Sure, why not? All right, well that's it for planting pumpkin seeds.
Can you say bye?
Bye.
Say bye up here.
Owie.
Bye. Oh, what did you get? Got a little thorn, huh? From the raspberry bushes? That's okay. Here we go.
Bye.
If you like this, hit the subscribe button, and we thank you for watching.